Okay, so my car is totaled. As you can see, this thing is like wrecked. Like really wrecked. I don't know how I got it like this, but I did. Don't read that. I can mute my mic. Doesn't work. um yeah, it doesn't drive like you can see. Sounds good. But it does not drive at all. So you can see, I mean, it kinda does, but you cannot turn. See, I'm kind of driving, but it does not turn at all. It turns by itself. See, I'll try to turn, but it's just not gonna work. So I have no clue what to do. It's just basically a drift car now. I can just do like one wheel drifts, but that's it. That's all I can do. Because it's wrecked. I was drag racing with another friend and just got on the drag race and this thing's done. So I have no clue what to do. Um, hmm. So dude, he wanted to drive my car. I don't know where he is. He's supposed to come. I asked him to come with the trailer. So then like, I can tow it back and fix the car. Cause the car is cooked. As you can clearly see. And yeah, we've been trying this, we've been trying the, upload every single day. It's just me cause Hamza's not here. He only comes on the weekends cause both have school and we don't live together. We live separate. He lives like an hour away. And yeah, this thing's basically like done. And I have no clue who's gonna pick up the car. I can bring my other account and pick up the car, but what's the point to use a different account if you're just gonna be by yourself? Like, is there really a point then? I mean, I could load up the car on my trailer. I mean, I have a trailer. I'll load it up, I guess, right now. So let's go load it up on the trailer. Just spawn my trailer. Go load it up. I did not expect to wreck this thing. Yeah, it was not supposed to happen. Just click tow. Yes, it's tow my own car. Oh. Release. Okay, that's just cursed. Yeah, I'm just gonna respawn. Forget it. Let's just go back to the house. I've been drag racing since morning in the game. Since morning. So the cars had a very wild day. So it makes sense why I broke. But let's get out of here. Oh, that was weird. I just randomly heard the game sound go to max volume, even though it was not at max volume. I don't know why. Just randomly. I don't know. Maybe my hand touched the headset. Yeah, so oh, that hurts. I don't know what that sound is. Or where it's coming from or what. I have no clue. I'm not touching anything. I see that. I don't know why it's doing that. That hurts doing that. Hurts my ear. Because it just goes max volume randomly. So, ooh, there's my house right there. And yes, it's the roleplay house. Basically, this car might come to the roleplay series, it might not. Haven't decided yet. We got weird neighbor over there. So, yeah, and yeah, I forgot what I was gonna say. But like, we have the McLaren right there. It's not loaded in. Yeah, but the McLaren right here is not loaded in. I'm gonna customize this soon on the roleplay series. As you can see, I have no plate. It's pretty simple to do. So basically, it took me a while to do this, but you need a play frame. And then what you have to do is you have to click I, like lowercase or uppercase. Pretty sure it's just uppercase. Just click I and tab. It took me 10 tries just to get it perfect. As you can see, it's like, oh, okay. I don't know how you make the camera go slow. As you can see, you could kind of see it, but the play frame is basically blocking it fully. That way you don't see it at all. Which is how I did it. It took me a couple attempts to do it, but it worked. I don't know, I might sell this low key, but I like it right now. Can't wait for the snow to start. Got a weird neighbor. His house is normal. But yeah, that's basically for this video, so sorry if I'm talking weird. It's like, I don't know what time it is. It's late. But like, subscribe, turn notification bell to all, and I'll see you next time. See you later, neighbor. Oh, yeah.